Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going to learn how to enter and format text in Excel cells. Entering text. 1. Opening Excel. First, open your Excel file or create a new document. 2. Selecting a cell. Click on the cell where you want to enter text. The cell will become active. 3. Entering text. Start typing directly into the selected cell. For example, let's type Sales Report. 4. Confirming entry. To finalize your input, press Enter. The text will be saved in the cell. Formatting text. 1. Selecting the cell for formatting. Click on the cell containing the text you want to format. 2. Opening the Format panel. Look at the toolbar at the top of the screen where you'll find formatting options. 3. Changing font and size. In the font section, you can change the font type and size. Choose an appropriate font and set the desired size. 4. Changing text color. To change the text color, click on the icon with the letter A and select a color from the palette. 5. Bold, italic, and underline. You can make text bold, italic, or underlined using the corresponding buttons B, bold, I, italic, and U, underline. 6. Aligning text. Text can be aligned to the left, right, or center. These settings are found in the Alignment section. Enabling text wrap. 1. Selecting the cell. Again, select the cell with the text. 2. Turning on text wrap. On the toolbar, find the Wrap Text option and click on it. The text in the cell will automatically wrap to a new line if it exceeds the cell's width. Applying styles. 1. Selecting the cell. Select the cell you want to style. 2. Choosing a cell style. On the toolbar, locate the Cell Styles option. Click on it and choose a predefined style that meets your needs. Conclusion. Now you know how to enter and format text in Excel cells.